What is New Delhi associated within the given context? A. Ministry of Defence. B. BCIM. C. National War Memorial. D. SARC. The correct answer is B. BCIM. Besides Arikkamadu and Urayur, which other site is explicitly mentioned as an excavation site providing evidence for the Sangam age? A. Madurai. B. Srirangam. C. Kalugumlai. D. Ajhagankulam. The correct answer is D. Ajhagankulam. What are the electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom known as? A. Core electrons. B. Orbital electrons. C. Shell electrons. D. Valence electrons. The correct answer is D. Valence electrons. What is one power of the Supreme Court of India regarding judges? A. It can transfer judges of high courts. B. It can recommend judges for promotion. C. It can appoint judges to any court. D. It can dismiss judges of lower courts. The correct answer is A. It can transfer judges of high courts. What are layers below the ground made of coarse sand and gravel that contain spaces allowing rainwater collection called? A. Bore wells. B. Aquifers. C. Open wells. D. Distillation units. The correct answer is B. Aquifers. According to Swami Vivekanand, what is the nature of the manifestations of the Divine Mother? A. Limited and specific. B. Few and countable. C. Infinite and varied. D. Symbolic and abstract. The correct answer is C. Infinite and varied. Besides raising revenue, how do taxes help balance the effect of demand? A. By altering prices. B. By directly controlling production levels. C. By establishing trade barriers. D. By creating new markets. The correct answer is A. By altering prices. What does the teacher explain to the groups regarding the activity? A. How to complete the activity. B. Different types of rocks. C. The history of cartography. D. The location of specific cities. The correct answer is A. How to complete the activity. What determines whether a substance is a good conductor or a bad conductor of electricity? A. The number of protons. B. The arrangement of neutrons. C. The size of the nucleus. D. The freedom of electron movement. The correct answer is D. The freedom of electron movement. What decreases as air pressure decreases? A. Nitrogen levels. B. Oxygen availability. C. Temperature. D. Humidity. The correct answer is B. Oxygen availability. Which internet resource focuses on investment information? A. www.investopedia.com. B. www.marketactivities.com. C. www.coinsindia.com. D. www.wikipedia.com. The correct answer is A. www.investopedia.com. What is one major problem listed regarding industrial development? A. Shortage and fluctuation in power supply. B. Excellent access to credit. C. Abundance of cheap laborers. D. High availability of large land blocks. The correct answer is A. Shortage and fluctuation in power supply. What are pigments involved in photosynthesis called? A. Accessory pigments. B. Chlorophylls. C. Photosynthetic pigments. D. Primary pigments. The correct answer is C. Photosynthetic pigments. What type of bones do birds typically have? A. Brittle and strong. B. Flexible and dense. C. Hollow and light. D. Solid and heavy. The correct answer is C. Hollow and light. What was a typical Sumerian city surrounded by? A. Forests. B. Potters and artisans. C. Deserts. D. Mountains. The correct answer is B. Potters and artisans. Which church is mentioned as a religious destination in Tamil Nadu? A. St. Francis Church. B. St. Paul's Cathedral. C. Velankani Madha Church. D. Basilica of Bom Jesus. The correct answer is C. Velankani Madha Church. What is a suggested way to address socio-economic inequality? A. Limiting access to basic services. B. Ignoring low agricultural productivity. C. Widespread access to quality basic services. D. Focusing only on industrial development. The correct answer is C. Widespread access to quality basic services. What is another name for Confucius mentioned? A. Lao Tzu. B. Zoroaster. C. Kung Fu Tse. D. Gautama Buddha. The correct answer is C. Kung Fu Tse. How many globally identified biodiversity hotspots are found in India? A. 91,000. B. 4. C. 34. D. 2. The correct answer is B. 4. What is the symbol used to denote the ionic product of water? A. Candescoric. B. Candescore. C. Candescore. D. Candescore. The correct answer is B. Candescore. Which of the following is the symbol for the ferric ion? A. Fe4+. B. Fe3+. C. Fe+. D. Fe2+. The correct answer is B. Fe3+. What device is represented by a zigzag line in an electrical circuit? A. Fixed resistor. B. Cell. C. Battery. D. Switch. The correct answer is A. Fixed resistor. What is the underground part of the main axis of a plant called? A. Stem. B. Node. C. Shoot. D. Root. The correct answer is D. Root. Which month corresponds to the unit force and motion? A. June. B. July. C. August. D. September. The correct answer is B. July. Who only has a mobile phone among the discussed individuals? A. The teacher. B. Salim's father. C. Nancy. D. Salim. The correct answer is D. Salim. Besides the nature of industrialization, what other aspect of industrial development in Tamil Nadu will be discussed? A. The importance of industrial clusters. B. The shift to traditional production methods. C. The role of small-scale farming. D. The export of agricultural products. The correct answer is A. The importance of industrial clusters. What do fruit juice, detergent, and medicine often contain, highlighting their importance in daily life? A. Key chemicals like acids, bases, or salts. B. Only minerals. C. Only water. D. Only vitamins. The correct answer is A. Key chemicals like acids, bases, or salts. How many sultanates did the kingdom split into after its collapse from Muslim authority? A. 4. B. 3. C. 5. D. 6. The correct answer is C. 5. Which of the following is a common corrosive gas involved in dry corrosion? A. SO2. B. CO2. C. CH4. D. H2O. The correct answer is A. SO2. What is the expected observation when water fills the can with holes in Activity 3? A. The water may just dribble out. B. The water will not flow out at all. C. The water will form a single large stream. D. The water will gush out with high force. The correct answer is A. The water may just dribble out. How did you score?